So what do real estate photographers do? Maybe you're a realtor. I shoot my own photos on my iPhone. Why do I need a real estate photographer? Great question. Let's answer in this video. I'm Scott Prokop, and welcome to my video on what do real estate photographers do? Real estate photography is a specialized field that involves taking high-quality photographs of properties for use in marketing and advertising materials. These photographs are often used to showcase the properties and amenities of a property, as well as to provide potential buyers or renters with a visual representation of what the property looks like. So what do real estate photographers do? Real estate photographers are responsible for capturing the best possible images of the property. This involves using specialized equipment and techniques to highlight the key features of the property to create visually appealing photographs that showcase the property in the best possible light. To do this, real estate photographers may use a variety of techniques, such as using wide-angle lenses to capture the entire property, using HDR or high dynamic range photography to capture a greater range of light and shadow, and using editing software to enhance the final images. Real estate photographers also need to have a strong understanding of lighting and composition, as well as an eye for detail. They need to be able to identify the most visually appealing angles and perspectives to capture the property from. And they need to be able to use lighting to their advantage to create visually striking images. In addition to taking photographs, real estate photographers may also be responsible for editing and retouching their images to ensure that they are the highest possible quality. This may involve using software to adjust color, contrast, and other aspects of the image to make them look as appealing as possible. Overall, real estate photographers play a vital role in marketing and advertising properties. By capturing high-quality images of properties, they help potential buyers or renters to get a better sense of what a property looks like and what it has to offer. Me personally, I've been doing this for over 8 years. I call it a dance when I go in. I honestly, I know when I walk in. I just know the route I'm taking, how to showcase the property. Basically, always remember you're selling the property and not the furniture. So you're showcasing the rooms and how they flow together. So when you're going from a living room to a dining room to kitchen, showing photos that kind of show the order and help people understand and navigate the property without a blueprint or floor plan. For me, it comes naturally after all these years, not only the photography process and the angles to use to best showcase the property, but in the editing. I have my presets and everything nailed down. I know how to edit and make everything look right with the right colors, which is very important. Beyond all that, when you're skilled at shooting, editing, you can deliver them fast. Some people can deliver the same day. Some people next morning, no problem. This is what you master. You do it fast so that the realtor can spend more time on selling properties or helping potential buyers find their property. I'm Scott Prokop. This helped, and we'll see you in the next video.